Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video, I'm very excited to share with you a brand new system that will not only allow you to brand yourself as a true professional in whatever home business niche you're involved in, but if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a special lead finder tool that is hands down the best lead generation strategy you're going to find anywhere. So please be sure to watch this video through to the end. So what I'm going to be talking about today is a program known as Cardly.me. Also simply put Cardly, and the page that you're looking at right now, this is a digital business card that you can get for free along with many other features that I'm really excited about. So you can create your free Cardly account. I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. Create your own digital business card. Brand yourself as an expert in your field. Look, you may have heard people in network marketing or affiliate marketing say to you, you are your only competition. I say that's not true. What if you are involved in a business, a home business where you've got 100,000, 200,000? There's some home businesses out there that have over 1 million members. And if you think about it logically, you have to give people a reason why they should join you in your business versus anybody else. So you can brand yourself as an expert in your field. You can direct traffic to your business offers by giving away this free service and helping other people brand themselves and get their very own free digital business cards. So the business card that you're looking at right now, this thing is incredibly impressive. Let's say you're talking to somebody in person, whatever it is, you struck up a conversation, you met a new stranger, they seem pretty cool. Maybe they let you know, hey, I'm always keeping my options open for making more money. Guess what? You can download this onto a tab on your phone and just allow the individual to scan this area, and they're automatically going to be able to upload your contact information. What if you're dealing with someone on social media, right? You want to stand out. You could simply send them your virtual link, and they'll be able to save you as a contact in your information. Now, what do you think is going to happen when people see this? Number one, they're going to know that you are the real deal. They're going to want to know that you are, the type of person that they would like to join in business. And a couple of other things that I'll point out. This is my actual Cardly link, right? And as you can see, I've got 8 different things in here that I'm sharing with people that land on my link. So I've got a quick 90-second introductory start here video where basically I'm introducing myself, letting people know what they can expect by engaging with me. I have this premium free leads offer, which I'm going to talk about, which is the lead finder tool in Cardly. I have a business link in here where people can learn how to make several hundreds and even $1,000 and more per day. I'm showing people how to get 100 leads in just 4 to 5 days. I have my own website, that I've included in here that people can visit. I've got several social media accounts, my profiles and platforms here. So if people click on here, they can connect with me on multiple social media sites. They can email me, and they can also call and text me. So I can adjust these however it is that I want. I could switch things around. I could add whatever links it is that I want in here. This is completely customizable. And remember, people have the ability to create their free accounts. Why is that significant? It's significant because if you're giving away something of significant value, and you're able to put it in someone else's hands for free. If they have any type of a home business, even a brick or mortar business, most people will want to see that. Show me how it works. And from the back office, I'm here in my edit mode, and in edit mode, I have the ability to come down here, customize my domain. Again, this is about branding, standing out as a true professional. I have my contacts manager screen here. And then if I click on lead finder, take a look at what happens. So take a look at this. I opened up the lead finder window. And if I just come down here and I click on profession, right, look at all of these different professions that I could add in. App developer, baker, barber, bishop, business coach, CPA, car detailer, chiropractor, carpenter, right? So I can scroll down this: clergy, dog trainer, event planner, financial services, freelance writer, hairstylist, health coach, IT consultant, insurance agent, life coach, marketing specialist, minister, nutritionist. So many different things in here that I can choose. Sales consultant, skincare consultant, right? So I'm just going to come down here. I'm going to click on skincare consultant for the purposes of this video. And down here, country, right? If I click on here, this is not only available in the USA, but look at this. Look at all of these different countries that I could use this in, which I think is pretty impressive, right? I mean, if I just scroll up, you can see all of the different countries that I could use this lead finder tool in. So you have a lot of possibilities. So for right now, I'm just going to click on USA, right? And I'm going to dig a little further into this so that you could see how this works and how this can benefit you. Let's say I want to choose a state and area code, right? Let's do that. So I click on area code and I put in the city for Dallas, Texas. All right, just using this as an example. So look at what happens. If I scroll down here to Texas, right? Look at all of the area codes that pop up in here. So I'm just going to choose 214, right? And then over here, I just enter the city, Dallas, and look at what happens. So what I did was I came over here, I clicked on Facebook, I clicked on the phones option. This can also work for emails, but from phones and Facebook, I ended up with 31 new fresh leads. And we know that these phone numbers are active because these individuals listed their phone numbers on their Facebook profiles in the Dallas, Texas area. Now, you can do this not only on Facebook, you can do this on Google, you can do this on Instagram, on LinkedIn, you can do this on Google Maps. So really, the possibilities are limitless. Think about that. Being able to right click and paste the screenshot of whatever it is that pops up when you do, let's say, a Facebook or a Google search or any of these, and already in less than 2 minutes, I've got 31 people that I can contact where I know that contact information is very relevant. And again, this works in multiple countries. So here's what I want you to do. If you are interested in creating your very own free Cardly account, you want to stand out from the rest in your niche, whether it's network marketing, direct selling, affiliate marketing, people in brick and mortar businesses, right? I mean, what do doctors and chiropractors, accountants, what do they have? They have jobs, right? Most of these people are people that can afford majority of what it is that you might be promoting. So you don't really have to worry, as these are targeted prospects and targeted leads. So How do you get your free account? If you're watching this video as a result of YouTube, then you can go to my YouTube channel right now, click on my channel links, and just look for Cardly. When you click on my channel links from Cardly, you're going to get my direct link so that you can create your free account. And, these leads have a very high response rate. Not only if you're worried about, well, what do I say when I contact them? Look, there are scripts in this system that are included sharing with you exactly what it is to say. Now, in order to get the free lead tool, you have to be a Pro 2 level member. The requirements for being a Pro 2 level member, it's just $29.99 per month. So think about that. For roughly $1 a day, you can omit having to buy solo ads or Facebook ads or cost per click campaigns. You could legitimately, as a Pro 2 level member, generate leads at your own discretion. And I'm talking about just putting in an area code, just putting in a city, right? And again, we're not just talking about the USA. So if you live outside of the USA, there is tremendous potential. Look, go to my channel, click on the channel links, get my Cardly link, sign up for a free account. If you're watching this video as a result of an email that you got, right? Maybe you're subscribed to my list. Go back to that email, scroll to the bottom so that you can click on my Cardly link and you can sign up. Look, if you got some value from this, be sure to shoot over a like to me, comment. I welcome your comments. Any questions that you have, I'll be happy to respond, and be sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.